Hello, my name is Dr. Suzanne Turner, and we are so excited about this upcoming event that's going to be on February 18th. We're going to be in Boca Raton, Florida, and we're going to be talking about how to treat the injured athlete. We're going to also talk about how to enhance the performance of your athlete. So if we're talking in general about human performance and we're talking about peptides that we can use to treat those people, these are the practical things, not only the protocols that we use, but also you'll be able to get your hands in doing examination of joints, in doing examination of injuries, in ultrasound and peptide injections. So this will be a hands-on workshop where you'll get to learn all of the things that you need to know to be efficient and productive at taking care of your patients with peptides, with regenerative therapies, with ultrasound diagnostics. We're so excited about sharing this event with you.